arrive very condensed in sets of 12. I've used a bunch in this pot and then stuck them around this pot. And once you unpack them, you can literally move and position these wired plastic stems however wide you like them or not. It has a durable plastic bottom. I just stick it right into existing soil that we have, and they blow in the breeze. They're holding up well. They really filled in nicely for me. They are a brilliant autumn color, so you do know that they do add a good pop of color if you're looking for that. I really prefer this best because it is the integration of that touch of color and the living plant. So this is moving into fall. We're seeing some of the foliage die off, and I was able to just kind of tuck them in. There you can see one up close. But from a distance, it really just adds that pop of color that I was hoping for. Also, this is a living plant that's kind of heading into fall season, and I've tucked the artificial around that as well. So I feel like it's a really good solution for those transitional months when the plants are kind of dying off, but you're not ready to plant winter plants. Here's everything as it is now, and I love that I can continue to fiddle with it as I go and just make this fall transition beautiful in the house.